All right, good morning, everybody. Grateful for another beautiful day. Yesterday, I did not trade well. All right. I got in my head, I got my emotions all mixed up with my trading, and basically, my accounts are gone. All right. And it sucks. It really sucks because I keep on like moving forward and then take like 10 steps backwards, but this is part of the process, and I'm going to be paper trading, as y'all can see down here. Paper trading, and my account balance is going to be 2,500 because that's the drawdown limit for most 50K accounts, and I'm going to try to grow this. I am going to be following this spreadsheet and documenting the equity curve and all of that stuff. So, you know, subscribe to join me on this journey so that I can get to 100K eventually, right? It's not going to happen with a snap of a finger. I started this journey in the beginning of the year, and it's been pretty rough, not going to lie. Found out a lot about myself, but you know what? It's good. It's good. The changes that I need to make need to happen. All right. All right. Digging into the charts, we did have news today at 8:30 a.m. We had preliminary GDP and unemployment claims. And then at 10 o'clock we have pending home sales. So I think we're gonna try to wait for that to happen. Looking at the 1 hour chart, if y'all remember a couple days ago, I stated that this could be a mitigation block, and look what price did. We went right into that mitigation block and sold off. And then I also kept this blue line, which was previous week's highs, and price reacted off of that, bounced up, kind of consolidated, and then sold off again. So I believe we are in a market maker sell model on the lower time frame. All right. With that being said, right now we are trading down into previous day's lows, and we have gone up into discount. All right. So there's no imbalance here at the moment on the 15-minute chart. So I am going to be waiting for price to come up into this imbalance right here to take a short down. All right. Um, that is right in optimal trade entry. So I believe the 10 o'clock news might manipulate up to send price down lower, or the price could also take out this internal range liquidity here and then send price down lower. Ultimately, my bearish target is this imbalance right here with this low. Right now we're digging into this order block, but I believe price may want to take this out before heading up again because we are in a long-term market maker buy model on the higher time frame. So yeah, we'll see. Actually, on the 1 hour chart, it seems like we are reacting off of this imbalance. All right, we're gonna have to keep an eye on this level and this level because this 1 hour imbalance is in line with equilibrium, and then this imbalance is in line with optimal trade entry on the 15-minute chart. So we're gonna have to keep an eye out on this. I will be looking for shorts. If this inverses, I'm going to take this down. So as you can see, I missed the inverse fair value gap entry to take that down into that low. But what I did was I waited for the retracement back up into that 5-minute fair value gap, and then that's where I kind of entered. That's where I executed a market entry there. And I'm just waiting for price to come back down. One of the entry models that I'm going to be using is the ICT 2022 entry model, where there's a market structure shift in a retracement back into a fair value gap, which is what I took on the 5-minute time frame. I am targeting those relative equal lows that you see onto the left for a 354 ticks. But yeah, I mean, I think me paper trading is going to build up my confidence in my trading model and what I'm going to be using. And I'm basically going to be practicing taking only a couple trades. I really need to also hone in on the discipline aspect and not being greedy and taking profits. So yeah, this is going to be basically a test to myself and just to prove that I can do it. I know it's different when you have money involved and, when you have invested money in prop firms, but this is a great self-reflection time for me. So, yeah, I mean, let's just see how this pans out. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to join me on my journey. I trend my stop here. I should be okay with 160 ticks. All right. The reason why I'm trailing my stop loss is because I don't want to let go of any profits that come, and I am pretty deep in profits right now, so I want to take what I can get. All right. So this is going to hit my take profit. I'm sure it will. My trailed stop. So this order block and this order block should accelerate down soon, but we'll see. All right. Took profits there. All right. So today we did 803.66. Ending balance will be 303.66. And we'll see how the rest of this goes. I mean, what I'm basically trying to do is I'm trying to grow this account and then simulate I'm taking a payout and all of that. And let's see how far I can grow this. All right. If you haven't already, like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to join me on my journey, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.